Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my video from last week, I suggest you pause this video, go watch that one, and come back to this because this is part 2 of my smoothie video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my beginner friendly smoothie recipes, so stick around and watch. This first one I feel like everyone is going to like. This is just a banana and strawberry smoothie. So I'm adding some frozen bananas, some frozen strawberries, some granola, some oatmeal, and then I'm going to follow that up with some chia seeds. I'm also going to add some plain Greek yogurt. This has no sugars or flavors. It's just plain Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. And then I'm going to top that up with some almond milk. You can use any type of milk that you prefer, but for this one I am using almond milk. And that's pretty all that I'm using for this smoothie. I'm going to close it up and blend it. This smoothie is very good and adults love it, kids love it as well. You can even put it in popsicle molds and give it to kids and they're gonna love it. They will think it's ice cream and will never know. The next one is a little on the greener side, so what I'm adding here is some frozen banana and some frozen apple, and then I'm gonna follow up with some spinach and some peanut butter. But if you don't like peanut butter, you can always go in with almond butter. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of flaxseed in here and some maca powder. You can always substitute the banana for avocado. I have done that and love it as well. Here I'm adding some oats because I like to do this so my smoothies can be a little filling, and I'm gonna top it off with some lemon water and some Greek yogurt. I'm also going to add some oat milk in here. Any milk works. You can just do the water, but I'm adding some milk just to give it a little bit of a thickness. Now I'm going to close it and blend it, and that's really all there is to this smoothie. Let the spinach fool you in this smoothie because I promise you, you won't even taste it when it's all said and done. And that's it guys for this smoothie. It's really good and it fills me up until I'm ready for lunch. You should try it. You're really gonna like this one. The next smoothie is also going to be a banana. This is what I call the berry smoothie. So I'm going to be adding banana for all types of frozen berries like strawberry, blueberries, raspberries, and then I'm adding a little bit of cocoa powder in here and some Greek yogurt. I'm also going to be adding some almond milk. And that's my very berry smoothie. Just add whatever berries you like and some banana and you are good to go with this smoothie. Because of the cacao powder that I included in here, this kind of tastes like hot chocolate. I'm not kidding you. It's really good, and you do taste the cocoa in here. last smoothie I am going to make is more of a tropical smoothie. This is something you can have in the summer on your deck with some friends. I am adding some frozen bananas, some frozen mangoes, some frozen pineapple, and then what I'm adding here is some coconut flakes. And this one I'm gonna keep it really simple and go with some protein powder. And then I'm gonna follow it up always with my Greek yogurt. I really love this Greek yogurt. And then topping it off with some lemon water and some coconut water. I'm telling you, this is a really nice tropical smoothie. I don't do this one as often, but I love it, especially in the hot and summer months. And that's it for this one too. I'm gonna blend it up, and that is it for my first 4 smoothie recipes. Like I said, these are really beginner friendly. I feel like adults will love this and kids will love this as well. So if you're not into smoothies and this is your first time trying smoothies, I highly recommend starting with these 4 and you're really gonna like them. This one honestly reminds me of pina colada. So if you love pina colada, you're gonna pretend you're on an island sipping on some pina colada with this smoothie. It's really good, and you do taste the coconut in here as well. So guys, that is it for all my 4 smoothie recipes. I hope you try them. Let me know if you do. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which ones you tried and if you like them or not. I will see you back here in my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.